market to buy a fat pig. Home again, chickadee kitty. To market to buy a fat hog. Home again, chickadee jog. To market to buy a plum bun. Home again, chickadee jog.
Market.
To market.
Home again.
Home again.
It's on the back of your puppet.
Home again. Market is done.
Can you show the back to the puppet? Yeah. Okay.
Look at mine.
Do you want to do yours, Gabriel's? Do you want to do yours?
That's the name. What is it? Rosa. No.
Gabriel's, do you want to do your poem again?
No.
You're all done?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to show your piggy one more time before we put them away?
Show mine. Once more.
Okay, what's her name?
Its name is Anna Rose, as you can see on the top.
It's a little hard to see when something's up against the window, but there we go. I think we got that.
Yeah.
Hey, piggy boy.
Isn't it cute? Yeah.
Beautiful.
Bye.